Okay, so this is White Noise Online, but it's the demo, and I played it once just to see how it is, and it's pretty interesting. So I'll choose this Shaggy lookalike, and get this thing underway. Yeah, all the tapes. This game's really weird because it has two main enemies. The white muscular thing and the green kitty cat. The green kitty cat, I don't know why that's a thing, but clearly that's a thing. Don't know why. See, there's the freaking kitty cat right there. What the heck is that? Really? What is that? It looks like a green tumor. Like, seriously. Already like 10 seconds in the game and I have a kitty cat on my butt. And it will not go away. I don't know what's up with that. Like, seriously, what the crap? Come on, man. Go away. Supposed to be finding tapes. So I'm guessing it's like a spin-off of Slender or something like that, but I'm not sure if the tapes are randomly generated. But, this place is kind of closed in. First question I have, what the heck are you doing here? Why would you want to go to a place like this? Why is my audio screwing up? Is there a tape somewhere? Please tell me there is. Where's the tape? I don't know where the tape is. All I'm just hearing is feedback. Kinda sucks. Wow! The sky is really beautiful. What the heck was that? What, I can't look at the sky? Okay, apparently you can't look at the sky. Or else the freaking demon snarl will happen. Okay! Yeah. So that happened. Nope, not gonna get me. Nope. Nope. I haven't even found it. Are you serious? Nope. Not gonna do it. Oh, stuck on a tree. Run, bro, run! Go away! Why are you so muscular? I need some tapes. Need some tapes! Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. I don't even know what that thing is. Moving on, moving on. And keep in mind, this is a demo, like I said before, so it's gonna cut off at some point. But hopefully, ooh, cabin. Found a tape in here last time, so hopefully it's in here. Oh, Mr. White Man, muscular thinger thing, won't try to kill me. Oh, these smoke things look really weird. Are you serious? It's not in here. Okay, it's not over there. That sucks. So, I guess they are randomly generated. What? Okay, you need to, like, not do that. Trying to do something here and you're just popping out all freaking pedo bearish. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go this way, and you can go die. You can die in a fiery pit of flames. Fiery pit of flames. Fiery pit o' flames. Oh my god, I haven't found one tape yet. This is ridiculous. Okay, spider webs. Nothing weird about this. Except that. That will... Oh, now they're freaking gangbanging me. That's not free... Ooh. Well, this is new. Shut up. Shut up. Oh! Nope. 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 That was way too close, bro. Way too close. Don't be behind me. Don't be behind me. Okay, good. Oh, well, that's it. That was really good. I mean, I don't know the story behind the green kitty cat and the white eyeless muscular thingy, and why Mr. Shaggy Lookalike is on this stupid looking island. It's sketchy, you know, but it's really good. And I hope to get the full game soon so I can get the full experience and hopefully find some tapes, because I didn't find jack this time. Well, this is Virtuoso signing off.